phenol shows the three types of the chemical reaction. First reaction just we have seen that the laboratory test. The second reaction shown by alcohol phenol is due to the breaking of OH bonds. Alcohol is ROH, R-OH. In that if O and H bond is breaking, that is H is removed. At that time, which type of the reaction is shown? This reaction we want to study now. In that first is the acidic character. When we take the alcohol, add into the water, it releases this H. This H accepted by H2O or H3O plus. When this H is released, it is released in the form of H plus, because in the alcohol this O is the most electronegative, H is the least. When this bond breaks, H is removed in the form of H plus. This H plus reacts with H2O, neutral H2O, form H3O plus. It is called as hydronium ion, and it forms alkoxide. Similarly, when phenol reacts with water, then it forms phenoxide. In the same way, by releasing this H plus, accepting H2O, form H3O plus. From these two indicate that phenol is a more acidic in the nature compared to alcohol, because this alkyl group shows inductive plus inductive effect. Alkyl group is electron donating group. So this electron donating group shows the plus inductive effect. Due to this alkoxide destabilizes. We know that when the product is destable, then the reaction rate is slow. This formation of alkoxide is in lower level. Means H plus given process, this bond breaking is very less. But in case of phenol, when this H plus is removed, form the phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion is stable, because in benzene ring there is a resonance. In benzene ring, alternate single bond, there is a resonance structure. It increases the stability of phenoxide ion. Hence, compared to alcohol, phenol is acid. Actually, phenol is also not strong acid. It is a weak acid called as carbolic acid. According to U of CET, important point is here that electron withdrawing group is there for this ring. Any other position, this ortho, meta, para, if electron withdrawing group such as example NO2 is present, it increases the acidity of phenol. If there are presence of NO2 group 1, that is more acidic than phenol, 2 NO2 group present, that is more acidic than phenol, 3 group are present, it is more acidic than the phenol. While electron donating group, this electron donating group attached in this position or here also, this electron donating, all alkyl groups are electron donating, methyl, ethyl, propylol, this group. If like this electron donating group present here, then it decreases the acidity. Second reaction is esterification. What is the meaning of esterification? Main reaction between acid and alcohol to form ester and water is known as esterification. This formation of ester is known as esterification. It is carried out by using acid anhydride and acetyl chloride also. But maximum ester are prepared by